Hi, today we come to Noble Around Sukhumvit Soi. We meet our friends from Noble team and we will show you today facilities of Noble Sukhumvit Soi. It's a luxury project just finished last year. There are 25 floors with luxury units, 1 to 3 bedrooms. There are several penthouses as well. And I ask a nice team of Noble, please show us facilities. We want to see swimming pool, fitness, what is so good. Let's go see. Hi, I'm Win from REMAX CondoDee. First of all, before we start our next property tour in Bangkok, I wish to everybody of you to stay safe and healthy. This is the most important, and we from our side we will help you to enjoy property tours remotely without even coming to Bangkok or coming to condominium that we go today. Now I'm located in BTS Phrom Phong. It's one of the most popular areas in Bangkok. A lot of nice condominiums, a lot of shopping. You have Emporium shopping mall. From other side is M Quartier, and Sphere is to be built right here near the park. So it's very popular area. A lot of expats, a lot of Japanese and Korean expats as well. Even some people call it like little Tokyo. We will go today again to Sukhumvit Soi 33 and we will see another Noble Development project, a new one that was just completed last year, and we have a very good deal for foreign quota. What is foreign quota? I explained in last video. I will give somewhere here on the screen. You will see a link to this video. Also, in this video, I explained why today during a condominium, sometimes it's very good deal to buy property as a foreigner in Thailand, and that it's safe, fast, secure, and it's a freehold. So let's go first of all from BTS Phrom Phong. We will do our normal walking tour to Sukhumvit Soi 33, and then we will see condominium. We will see condominium Noble Around Sukhumvit 33. Let's go. Before we go, if you still did not subscribe to our video, please do it now. I also advise you to push notification button to receive alerts about our new videos. And if you enjoy our videos, please click a like button. It will help us and it will help other people to enjoy property tours in Bangkok remotely from their YouTube screens. Let's go see. now we come to Sukhumvit Soi 33. It's also called Soi Deng Udom. You can see here it's a construction of new shopping mall, M Sphere, and it took me only 2 minutes to walk from BTS Phrom Phong. This direction is BTS Asoke. It's maybe 7 minutes walk. So Soi 33 located between BTS Asoke and MRT Sukhumvit from one side, and BTS Phrom Phong from other side. Very central location, lot of shopping, lot of entertainment, nightlife areas. You have very good supermarket, Villa Asoke, one of the most popular supermarkets with international food. It's located right here. And Soi 33, it's a short Soi connecting Sukhumvit Road with Soi 31. That is a long Soi connecting Sukhumvit with Pecheburi Asoke area. And it's very prestigious area and properties here of a high demand, especially for foreigners. Let's go see how far is Noble around Sukhumvit 33 from Sukhumvit Road. We continue our journey. Arrived to Noble around Sukhumvit 33. This building, it's located just next to Noble B19 that we have visited already earlier this year. It was a video in, it was our tour in January this year. I will leave a link to this video here on the screen. So today we visit the second one, again Noble around Sukhumvit 33. It's a new condominium. It was built only last year, 2020. There are 25 floors, few hundred units in this condominium, not so big. And units here are 1 to 3 bedrooms. You have a choice of small units as usual, but some of units are bigger. For example, we have units for foreign quota, 1 bedroom, 45-46 square meter. That is quite a good size for today. 3 bedroom units maybe up to 130 square meter. This condominium quite expensive. Actually, for this location and this quality, Noble is one of the top developers in Thailand. A price for new condo should be like 250,000 baht per square meter. But today, because of pandemic, we have a great deals here, and prices are very acceptable, around 200,000 baht per square meter. You can contact us for more details. Please see contact details as usual here on the screen. We will be happy to assist you and explain why this deal is so good. About the prices in general, this condominium prices are 120 to 130% higher than average in Bangkok for sale. There are not so many units yet for rental here because it's new. That's why rental prices for meanwhile also it's a COVID time and there is actually no rental market at the moment. Prices for rental are like 60 to 75% higher than average in Bangkok, and they will grow significantly after COVID finish. Why? Because this location is very popular, especially for foreigners. You have international schools here on Soi 31, just few hundred meters. You have a choice of international school, Anglo, Singapore, Australian international school, Bangkok preparation international school. You have many schools here around. You have hospital not far from here, BTS Sukhumvit hospital. You have shopping, you have BTS, you have MRT, everything here, and it's very close to best restaurants in Bangkok. And if you enjoy nightlife, actually this Soi 33 is quite popular for good clubs and restaurants. Of course, not today. Today most of the shops are closed because of the COVID, and we all hope it will open soon. And it's a very good time to buy now when you have a great deal, especially for foreign quota. Let's see this condominium inside. Hi, today we come to Noble Around Sukhumvit 33. We meet our friends from Noble team, and we will show you today facilities of Noble Sukhumvit 33. It's a luxury project just finished last year. There are 25 floors with luxury units, 1 to 3 bedroom. There are several penthouses as well. And I ask a nice team of Noble, please show us facilities. We want to see swimming pool, fitness, what is so good. Let's go see. Noble Around Sukhumvit 33 is a luxury condominium located very close to Sukhumvit, to BTS, as I explained to you, but it's also quite a luxury. Actually, it's very luxury inside. I'm here now in a meeting room or public area room on first floor with a garden. There is a very nice rooftop swimming pool that you can see in my video with amazing full-size fitness room. It's a party area here with a garden. There is one more garden on 22nd floor. Very nice location, amazing views around Bangkok central area. I like it.